Hello budding artists and creative minds. Welcome to my channel Watching You. Today I am going to draw and walk you through the character named Anxiety from the movie Inside Out 2. In Inside Out 2, Anxiety appears as a new character among Riley Anderson's emotions. Anxiety, portrayed with an orange hue, is introduced as one of the 4 new emotions in the sequel. In Inside Out 2, Anxiety is depicted as highly task-oriented and a perfectionist in her approach. She demonstrates advanced knowledge of the control console, surpassing even Joy by utilizing a laptop unfamiliar to the original emotions. Driven by a strong sense of loyalty to her strategies, Anxiety takes extreme measures to mold what she perceives as a better Riley. This includes deliberately instilling negative thoughts to prepare Riley for worst-case scenarios. Her dedication to this cause extends to capturing the original 5 emotions to prevent interference with her plans. Anxiety makes her debut in Inside Out 2 with a distinctive appearance. Her orange emotion form features an elongated oval head and hair reminiscent of volcanic eruptions, in a darker shade of orange. Her jade green eyes contrast with her overall color scheme. She wears a long-sleeved shirt striped in orange and off-white, paired with wide-leg pants in a reddish-brown hue, secured by a dark brown belt adorned with a gold button-shaped buckle. Completing her unique look are lace-up medieval-style boots in brown. As a pivotal addition to Riley's emotional landscape, Anxiety is notably the first new emotion to emerge in Riley's mind since her toddler years. Interestingly, she stands out from her fellow emotions in that her eye color does not match her dominant color theme, a distinction shared only with Joy among Riley's emotions. Anxiety also distinguishes herself as the second emotion, following anger, to express annoyance at the Triple Dent Gum commercial jingle. Her multifaceted character and detailed appearance contribute to her role in shaping Riley's emotional journey in the sequel. Anxiety was introduced alongside envy, embarrassment, and ennui, all sharing the goal of guiding Riley toward what they believed was her best path. Anxiety's primary objective was to assist Riley in planning for her future. However, she believed that Riley's original belief system and the presence of the original 5 emotions were hindering her progress. To enforce her vision, Anxiety discarded Riley's sense of self into the recall tube at the back of Riley's mind and banished the original emotions to the Vault of Secrets, with assistance from embarrassment. Throughout the movie, Anxiety manipulated Riley's beliefs by feeding her own memory orbs, gradually altering Riley's perspectives. One of Anxiety's beliefs included the notion, "If I'm a firehawk, then I won't be alone." Anxiety continued to influence Riley by using her imagination against her, creating scenarios that induced overthinking. Believing she was helping Riley by preparing her to foresee potential mistakes and take preemptive action, Anxiety completed Riley's new self-concept on the final day of camp, convincing Riley that she wasn't good enough. Anxiety believes Riley's original emotions hinder her and takes drastic actions, altering Riley's beliefs and causing harm. Through manipulation, Anxiety learns the consequences, ultimately understanding to let go and allow Riley to manage her emotions. Hope you liked this video. Please do subscribe to my channel and let me know which character to draw next. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.